I've gotten a lot of questions about kind of what a typical flow meter and sampler setup looks like, so I thought I'd just show that off to you today. This is a MACE Flow Pro XCI. This is mated to a Doppler velocity head, and what that does is that measures the velocity of the water as well as the height of the water column. In this case, it's in a stream, so we've done some gauging in order to determine what the flow would be across the particular cross section that we're measuring. It's going to be an approximation, but it'll be pretty close. So we're measuring that flow to correlate water in terms of the amount of water that goes through the system during a rain event. This is the dry period, so we shouldn't have too much. So it should be kind of a good time to actually get some reasonably good numbers. The flow's just kicked off, but the basic idea of this is that this sends a flow pulse over to the sampler. The sampler then takes that flow pulse and converts it into a sample. You see the water going up in the sampler. It's taking about a 100 ml sampler, and that'll take it, in this case, every, I think it's about 5,000 gallons. It'll go ahead and take a sample. So what's kind of neat about this one is that it can be used either for a discrete or a composite. This is a composite container, so it holds about 5 liters of material. But the idea is that this is going to measure what the water flow is. It's going to signal to this so that this knows what the flow is, and this takes a sample that's based upon that flow. So the idea is that we can get a measure of what this particular stream looks like and what kind of pollutants are in there based upon whether it's coming from rain or whether it's just the natural leachate from the groundwater. So hopefully this is a help to you, and that gives you an idea of what it is that we do.